Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're looking at DeFi here at crypto.com, and more specifically, we're looking at Chronos Beta. We're going to bridge over some VVS and we're going to mine. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go to Crow. We're going to do 500 of these. 500. So about 300 bucks or so. Transfer the 500 Crow over. It is going to cost quadruple zero, 2 Crow. I think I can afford that. I love these low fees because in Ethereum land it would be costing way more in fees. So now we just have to wait for the bridge to get bridged over, and then we can go over to the app and we can see hopefully that it's deposited, and we'll go over to the mine. You can see I did a test already. I staked just 50 bucks worth or so and did that. Alright, so okay, cool. So just wanted to check that out. So what you got to do is you go to trade. You can see I have 526. So I'm gonna do 75%. I go max. I'm gonna lose a little bit of Crow. You can see it does hold some in reserve. And we're gonna go down here and select VVS. Alright, so you are at risk of VVS losing value here. So just be aware. There is some risk in this, and it might reprice. You can see the minimum received, the price impact is very small because it's not a lot. And here's the liquidity provider fee. Interesting, 1500 Crow. Alright, you can see what that is. It's a very small percentage. Alright, price impact and the minimum receive. So it's not really large, but that's just me. Maybe it is. Maybe this is too large of a. Maybe to do 50%. Is it still too large? Still too large, huh? 25%? That's not enough. I'm gonna go 50%. I'm gonna swap that. Alright, price has been updated. Accept, and to confirm. The pricing is constantly changing, so you gotta be quick. That's one of the tips. So look at this. I have to pay 0.855 Crow. Okay, fine. But I'm getting VVS, and I'm going to compound at a rather high rate. So we go back into the mine. Okay, you can see here that the percentage rate is 3,000%. There is nowhere on the planet that you can get 3,000%. Even the manual, 345%. That is crazy. Okay, so I finally got confirmation that the swapped over. Took a little longer than anticipated. I'm not sure why. Probably because it's not a lot of transactions. However, I do want to put some more in. So you can see I'm going to max it out now. Alright, you can see I have 176.24 USD, and I'm going to confirm that. Alright, it's going to cost 2 Crow. I think it's going to be okay. I can handle it, at least for now. It's kind of expensive to start up the mine here, but once you're in, you're going to be making 3,000% interest per year. And it takes $50 and it turns it into $1,500. So that's pretty cool. All right, we can see here now that I have $226 staked. All right, so that's pretty good. All right, 3,000%. That's you can't really beat that. Be sure to subscribe and smash that like button. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.